Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. We have to factorize 5p minus 6 whole square plus 120p. Now in order to factorize this, we'll have to first get rid of this particular bracket. So let's see. We can use a minus b whole square identity here. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that will be 5p square minus 2 5p into 6 plus 6 square plus 120p. Okay, so let's see. That will be 25p square minus 60p plus 36 plus 120p. Now we can spot two like terms here, minus 60p and plus 120p. So we'll simply simplify them. So what do we have? 25p square minus 60 plus 120 is plus 60p plus 36. Now this is nothing but 5p whole square plus 2 into 5p into 6 plus 6 square. So this is 5p plus 6 whole square, which in factors form will be 5p plus 6 into 5p plus 6. So the answer is option B.